Have you been thinking about buying or building your first laundromat? Are you part of this huge cohort of potential entrepreneurs that are thinking about the laundry business? Well, I think we can help. My name is Brian Wallace. I serve as president and CEO of CLA, the Laundry Association. We're a nonprofit trade association that's been servicing the laundromat industry for almost 65 years now. Are you seeing a lot about finding a laundromat in 30 days, 15 days, finding free laundromats? How about an opportunity to cut through the clutter and really hear what it's really like from the experts? And that's where CLA comes in. We're presenting a series of how to start a laundromat workshops. These are one-day deep dive of all the basics you need to know about buying or building your first laundromat. The difference here is that you're tapping into decades of experience from an organization whose sole purpose is to build and grow this laundry industry. And we've helped thousands and thousands and thousands of first-timers just like you gather the information that they need to know. So we've got a series coming up. The next one is in Los Angeles on February 12th. And it's really an important opportunity for you to make this happen. And I'm looking at the agenda, and these are all being presented by industry peers. We're going to kick off the evening before with a tour of Coast Laundry Wash and Fold. This is a 100 washer laundromat. It's probably the biggest one you've seen. It's beautiful, well run. We're going to spend some time touring the facility, meeting with the owner, listening in from some of those secrets about how to be successful in the laundromat business. And then the next morning, we're going to start off a full day of sessions from everything from an overview on the trends and what's going on in the industry. Then we're going to start diving deep, how to find the right location, buy versus build. What are those pros and cons? Valuation, what's a laundromat worth? Financing, I'm interested in the business. Well, how am I going to afford it? Vendors and experts, like who do I need to have as part of my team to make this happen? Operations, how to handle the day-to-day, and then of course an Ask Me Anything session with experts that can answer all of your questions. And if you want some more information, just go to laundryassociation.org. You can find the full schedule and all the details you need to know. But I was also looking at the feedback from people just like you who attended our session back in November. Very important information, allowing us new investors to stand on the shoulders of those who went before and take advantage of trials and errors. So true. Why not learn from the experts that have been there and done that? Another person said, this is a confidence builder for a newbie to hear from the pros. Information I didn't know I needed until afterwards. Very good. I love to hear that. Realistic, yet optimistic. Really great information. Reassured us that we're in the business for ourselves, but not by ourselves. You have distributors, vendors, experts, and an association that can help. Just all these great comments of people just like you. They're looking for, how do I really take that meaningful step toward laundromat ownership? So CLA's How to Start a Laundromat Workshop coming up, the next event being February 12th in Los Angeles. And then soon to follow, if it's closer for you, March 25th in Charlotte and April 22nd in Chicago. Just great comments, and from everybody involved, we just know that this is a game changer in my entrepreneurial journey, left with actionable steps and a newfound confidence to advance. Highly recommend this workshop to anyone looking to own a laundromat. Doesn't matter what phase you're in, there isn't a better place to learn about this industry than CLA. So you hear it right from your peers that are on this entrepreneurial version with you. Can't wait to help coach you up on the industry and help you along the way. So again, Coin Laundry Association, CLA, come join us either February 12th in LA, back in Charlotte on March 25th, or April 22nd in Chicago, and really get the best information available on making your dream of laundromat ownership a reality. Just go to laundryassociation.org and look under our events page. You'll get all the details you need, and I'll see you there.